Here we have the scroll saw, which I'm going to use this. Here we have the scroll saw. To turn the scroll saw on, I just flip the switch, the blade goes up and down. Whenever I'm using this, I have to make sure I have a good grip in holding it down. If I start to cut and I don't have a good grip, it's going to go up and down with the blade, and that's what we don't want. If I'm holding it steady, it won't do that. Okay? So I'm going to hold it steady and move nice and slow, cutting along those lines. If I have a hole drilled, I can cut along a line to that hole, and that blade is small enough that it allows me to turn in there. So if I need to cut out a smaller area, like between the W and the R, it allows me to get into that small groove. I can easily cut out an area like that. All right.